Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by lowering the glove box and exposing the area behind it. Push in the glove box side tabs and let it swing down. This reveals the plastic access panel and the cigarette lighter area. Use a flashlight to identify the rectangular cabin filter housing cover. You'll see its retaining clips. Remove loose items and put on gloves to keep dirt off your hands. Once done, use a flat screwdriver to gently pry the cover clips. Do this because the clips are plastic and break easily if forced. With the cover unclipped, carefully pull it straight out to avoid bending the frame. You'll see the old filter. Note the airflow arrow printed on its edge so you can install the replacement the same way. Slide the filter out slowly and angle it so trapped leaves and dust fall into the lower cavity rather than into deeper ductwork. Use a handheld vacuum or damp cloth to remove accumulated debris and wipe the housing interior. Make sure the seating rails are clear so the new filter will sit flush and seal properly. Place the new cabin filter into the housing with the airflow arrow pointing toward the cabin. This ensures proper filtration and HVAC performance. Slide it into the tracks until it seats fully, then snap the housing cover back into its clips. Listen for the clicks so you know it's secure. Close the glove box and run the fan on high, then cycle heat and a /C to verify proper airflow and no rattles. If you still get odors or weak flow, make sure the filter isn't backwards and that the cover and glove box are sealed tightly.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.